change of towels, and then I will continue with my laundry. I need to wash these towels. I got these refrigerator organizers that I will put actually on my canning area because I need to organize them. Okay, I got organized part of my pantry, and in the top I have my rings. All there I have all the empty ones. The ones that are without lid are upside down. The ones that are brand new that are there. This is kind of organized by what we have, and then we have the other stuff here, but this is good. I've been working on my new planner. I have not done too much in the old one. I'm really having a lot of fun planning and sorry, it was dark, and learning about this planner, and I go from one way to another. This week, for example, I put the rosary, and some of the days they repeat the one that I have to pray, so I put the color on the ones that are the same one. Oh, my battery died. Okay, better. Anyway, so like I said, I put the same colors on the days that are the same prayers, or oh my gosh, I'm a little tired. I've been cleaning since early. Anyway, but that's what I'm doing. I'm marking here my steps, and my the steps are only when I'm at work, by the way, no out of work, because I want to see how much I'm moving. And this is my heart rate. This one is kind of weird because I know that I do a lot and I don't get a very good heart rate. I don't know if my watch is not working so good anymore. It's a little old. This is the previous week. I made a little change here. I marked the days. I made a mistake, and for some reason I read one here and second here, and so I have to move those stickers and mark better. I didn't do a big decoration here because I'm testing my planner with all the media and how it, and I'm loving this one. Every day I put why I'm thankful, and I give thanks to God also in my prayers, and every day I say for what I'm thankful. Something happened, or like the other day it was, sorry, my throat is hurting. My mom's health, she got good results on her last test, and she's doing better. She will need to have some physiotherapy and everything, but she's doing good. And yes, the colors are just colors that I like for this season. It's not like you will have a red pumpkin, I don't think so, but I'm applying the colors that I like in this, and I put just what I'm thankful. That is oh, about the color on my wall. I picked finally a color, and since the area that I have to paint is really small, I just bought a quart of the paint, and I didn't spend in the most expensive one, just this one, and that color is actually that one. It changed with the hours of the day, and I think it would be a nice wall to have different paintings, and we'll go also with this, and maybe I can put some shelf and some nice plants falling there. I will see. I'm working on that. But that is a goal. I know, so many colors, so many tests. I need to clean everything. This is a little dirty, and remove the stuff, make sure that everything is ready for painting. I am not going to use any special cleaning. All that you need to do is like a little of water and soap if you want, and let it dry to the next day. We'll be ready to paint. Don't spend in special cleaners. This time I didn't mow the grass. I used the mulcher, and that's the reason there's still some leaves there, but it's looking neat. Very neat. That's good. I don't think I will mulch again. The next time I will just pick the leaves for mulch inside. Oh, my flowers are good. They're so cute. Did a deep cleaning of my porch with water and everything. That's the reason it's wet. This fern is still going so good. Take a picture. I'm glad that it's still going, but everything is clean. And we can sit tonight really nice and happy. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, I need to put water, holy water here. I keep my holy water here, and I just add every time to my little holy water fountain will be the name. So in that way, when we come inside, we just let me turn the light. We just dip our fingers. I think it's enough, and make the sign of the cross. And for you too. And when I run out of the water, like I'm kind of close to run out, I still have enough. I go and take from the church. They don't have a fountain, so this is really hard to put in the church. And I clean this, by the way, this little thing that can go deep in the little fountain that they have. That is actually just a tiny bigger than my fountain. So that's how I get the holy water, and then I put there to save it. Came to read, but first I will do I didn't pray in the morning. I wanted to come and pray here tonight. My dog is crazy. Okay. I have Frosty here. And look who is looking at him. The little kitty. Sneaky one. Always come and tease Frosty, and Frosty is like looking and looking. look actually very well. Hello. We haven't seen each other in a long time. And the reason is because, one, I got really a lot of problems with my ear. Sorry that I say I'm in the basement. And I was not able to hear very well. I still kind of little deaf, and everything sounds like when you have a trouble and you get like the airplane blocking your, I don't know, your ear gets weird, you know. Anyway, I have my ears like when you go in an airplane trouble and they get stuck, or not stuck, blocked, and it's hard to hear. That's the feeling right now. And I went to check with the doctor. Everything is okay, only inflammation of my sinus, and I don't need even medicine. I need just to be patient, and I will be able to hear better in few. I hope so. So far it's almost a month that it's going in this way. I'm going to do the last part of my laundry, and I need to do some gardening now that finally the weather is looking better. Only for a few hours, because another mini cyclone is coming. We got one on Tuesday, and it was no fun. We lost power for a few hours, but a lot of people lost power for many hours, or is still without power. And we haven't finished that. They haven't finished all the repair, and it's coming again another one. They say that this one will not be so bad. I hope so. But I have a few hours before all that happens. So but give me time to dry these in case that we'll get out of power again, and take care of the branches that are down in the garden and rake the leaves. So here is my fern. I'm trying to protect the poor baby. It's huge. I have over my bicycle, but I will have that actually here on the winter, and I'm making room here in the top to put some of my other pots too. Okay, I'm ready to go and do some branch cutting. Now I will find here, and I have more there.
Let you know if there's any significant impact. The latest advisory over winds coming from the east, that has ended for the Cascade foothills, but the cleanup continues after the more powerful cyclone hit earlier.
Heather, I'm standing on Northeast 24th Street between work sites where up the road one crew is repairing power lines and down the road another is cleaning up the cut pine tree. But it's also delaying traffic, so I'm talking with drivers as they wait for crews to flip the sign. Despite the third day of power outages, Laura Boyer says she's not frustrated, just happy to see the enormous cleanup